Here's how to make chunky, melt-in-the-middle biscoff cookies. Start with 125 grams of butter. Add 100 grams of light brown soft sugar and 75 grams of caster sugar. Beat this until it's smooth. Add in 1 egg and beat again. Next, add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla and beat this. In a separate bowl, add 275 grams of self-raising flour, 2 teaspoons of corn flour and half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. Sieve this into the mixture. You can then beat again to form a dough. Chop up 200 grams of milk chocolate and 100 grams of biscoff biscuits and add this into your dough. Mix together so that all of the additions are evenly dispersed. Roll the dough out into balls and then flatten with the palm of your hand. Grab 1 teaspoon of biscoff spread and add this to the centre of the dough. Then use your hands to roll the dough back around the biscoff spread. Repeat this for all of the dough and then leave the cookies to set in the fridge for 1 hour. You can then bake at 180 degrees for 12 minutes. You should use about 4 cookies per tray and no more. Here's what they're like when they've been setting for just 10 to 15 minutes. As you can see, they're nice and gooey inside. And here's the difference for when you let them set for at least an hour. You get a much thicker biscoff spread in the centre. Make sure you follow for more recipes.